A very good morning, everyone. How are you all? Show me your presence fast. Good morning, Manisha, Sunil, Darshan, Diksha, Kriti, Rajiv. Show me your presence fast, everyone. I am waiting for all of you. Today is last session for this chapter. Yes, very good morning, Prithvi. Okay, it's the time to start today's session, beta. Since as I told you earlier also that there is time limitation, hence we have to do a lot now. Please see. I am directly moving to the topic. Beta, these are the adjustments which we need to complete. The pendency up to this is three pendencies. Please listen very carefully. Number one, the conceptual discussion along with practice for this. Today I am highlighting with different colors so that there may be segregation. But this is the things for which we have to practice. First, we must understand the concept of this one. And after that, there is one more pendency which we have to do. Plus, along with this, we have to complete today full question practice. Full questions practice plus P&L consolidation practice plus past examination. Now you can understand the situation. So many things are there to do, and within the limited time, still we can do. How we can do? First, understand the concept of stock reserve, unrealized profit. Okay, I have a chart for you in the last batch PDF. So I am opening that chart. That will be very helpful for all of you. And don't worry, I will upload that also. Unrealized profit, stock reserve. For your purpose, this is only the things which is being asked in exam. Downward stream transaction. What is that? What is the meaning of such a transaction? Better see. First, we must understand the unrealized profit. Unrealized means that has not been realized. That is what? Not yet realized. Yes, but a bonus issue will also be covered during the question. Don't worry. Now see, not yet realized. Beta, you have studied a chapter that is head office and branch. Yes, sir. What happened there? Sir, HO sent goods to branch. Another point was also there in another chapter, that is stock reserve in case of consignment, where consignor send goods to consignee. Yes, there also we have learned these things. The same is the thing here, where HO head office sent to branch 100 rupees goods along with the loading, suppose 20%. So 120 was the invoice price at which such goods were sent, or you can say this was selling price. But selling price can be there only when at the same price customer is being sold. Okay, beta, the goods is being sold to customer. Anyways, now please listen carefully. What happened at the year end? Some of the goods was lying in the stock of branch, and for the purpose of consolidation, what head office was doing? Head office was removing the unrealized profit on such stock which is still lying in the group. The same is the case with this one. Yes, beta, very good, Darshan. Yes, the only thing is there, we have to apply the same concept with different thing. Here, what will happen? There may be two cases. See, there may be two cases. Number one, H Limited. H Limited there, that is holding company. And holding companies sold goods. We shall not say sent, because subsidiary company is not the branch. Subsidiary company is not the consignee. Please understand carefully. Subsidiary company is not the agent. Both are having different status. That's another thing, that for the purpose of controlling, holding company has to report some extra financial statement. Listen to me carefully. Holding company sold goods to subsidiary company, that is S Limited. 1 lakh costing rupees goods was sent along with the 20% loading, that is 120,000 is the sales price at which holding company has sold goods to subsidiary company. Now please tell me, what was the effect of such? Please tell me. When I ask you, please tell me, then please tell to yourself in this case, that you are in physical class and you are answering to myself, me. Okay, beta. Here, what will happen in the books of H Limited? Suppose this is the trading account. I am preparing in the horizontal format just to make you understood these things easily. Beta, here what happened? The trading account is there, in which holding company is showing sales. Sales of rupees how much? Of course, 1,20,000. Sales of rupees how much? 1,20,000. Wait a minute. PDF is hanging. Wait a minute. 1,20,000 is the sales price. Okay, let's do in this sheet. Suppose holding company sold goods to subsidiary company, that is S Limited. In this situation, what is the effect of such transaction? The effect of transaction is this one. In the balance sheet of holding company and subsidiary company, first we must understand where the effect has gone. We have to remove that effect only, because while we are in consolidated situation, we have to remove contra items. Beta, see, trading account is there, and balance sheet, trading P&L is also there, and balance sheet is also there for holding company. In the same case, trading and profit and loss of subsidiary company, and balance sheet is also there for subsidiary company. Second format belongs to balance sheet. Now see, S Limited has shown a sales. The purchase of goods were there costing rupees 1 lakh, for which sale was done at rupees 1,20,000. Can I say that 20,000 rupees profit has been booked? Yes, sir. Very easily. So stock has been reduced by 1 lakh. Yes. And the reserve and surplus profit and loss has been booked. Profit and loss has been booked. How much amount? That is 20,000. Okay, beta Darshan. Okay, Himanshu, good morning, sir. Today, any problem with the site? I am not able to communicate from ICA site. Beta, for site, I don't know. With the site, is there any problem? Everything is fine according to me. I would request to technical team, please see the message what the Himanshu is asking. Anyways, he is asking for something problem is there in communicating with the ICA site. Anyways, now please listen to me very carefully. Beta, holding company has sold 120 and the purchase will be in the books of subsidiary company. That is how much? 1,20,000. That is the cost. That is the cost. Now see what happened here. Beta, if such goods have been sold, then we shall pass the entry in this way. Suppose such goods have been sold for rupees 1,50,000. So easy it is. Definitely there has been another profit in the books of subsidiary company, and that will move to the balance sheet of subsidiary company. In such case, there is no stock reserve. Why there is no stock reserve? Because stock is not lying with the okay, Brinda is asking something. Sir, I am also not able to operate the chat box while watching the lectures. Technical team, please see the message and solve their problem. Anyway, please, beta, I have limited time. Please try to avoid such a kind of message. Directly contact to the technical team. That will be much better. Anyways, now please see. So 1,20,000 is the cost for subsidiary company. And don't worry, you do not have any need seriously, you don't feel any problem if you will let me complete the things in a flow. Don't worry. Please listen carefully. Beta 120 is cost for subsidy company and 150 is the sales price for subsidy company. Now, please tell me what will happen in the CBS. If suppose CBS is there is nothing which can be called as contra for the removal purpose. Stock reserve. There is no stock reserve. Stock reserve become nil. Nil. Now see, beta, stock reserve happens in the situation where all the goods have not been sold. Means, sir, all the goods not sold in the books of subsidiary company. The goods which came from holding company is still lying with the subsidiary company. Means, sir, in that case, all the profit could not be booked because full all the assets, all the goods had not been sold. Now see, suppose 80% goods have been sold. It means, so suppose 90% goods have been sold. So at what price that will be? 1,35,000. Yes. And what will be the situation for such? Suppose 90% goods have been sold and 10% goods is there still lying in the closing stock. Closing stock. That is how much? Of course, 12,000. Can I say now the profit is there? Yes, profit is there. Whatever the profit is there, we do not need to take care of that. We have to take care of only these things. That stock from other stock, maybe from others and from H Limited. But H Limited stock is there in the stock of subsidiary company. That is how much? 12,000. Now, while the consolidation is being taken place, in the books of holding company, how the consolidation will be taken place? Better see. In the books of holding company, this is the balance sheet CBS of H Limited with S Limited. Better stock is there and reserve and surplus is also there. Better there is H Limited stock and also S Limited stock. Yes, sir. S Limited stock is there. Suppose from others, that is 1 lakh. So can I say total stock of S Limited is 1,12,000? Yes, sir. Suppose stock of H Limited itself is 5 lakh and there is consolidation of the total stock of subsidiary company. That is how much? 1,12,000. Then we shall check as per the information given in the question, that is total stock also becomes this one. There will be unrealized profit. That is the profit which have been booked by holding company in its consolidated reserve and surplus. Holding company has to remove its own profit and loss. From its own profit and loss, the profit which has not yet been realized because the stock is lying in the group. Because for the purpose of consolidation, everything that is contra has to be removed. Now see, beta, see. In this case, 12,000 is there and you already know that 20% was the loading in the 120. Hence, you have to calculate this one. This is stock reserve. The removal will be from where, in which such amount is existing. One is from stock, another is the profit and loss of which has been credited. Here, the profit loss of H Limited has been credited. Hence, there will be unrealized profit. That has UP means unrealized profit here. So we have to remove from both of the side. From both of the side. Beta, there will be another profit of P&L of subsidiary company that has to be added here. Only then we can find out the consolidated reserve surplus. So one effect is there. That is what? In the case of downward transaction, beta see. In the case, now I am showing you the graph that will be uploaded. I think it is a already uploaded PDF also. Beta see. In this case, what happened? There are two types of transaction. One is downward transaction where holding company send goods, sales goods to subsidiary company. I have shown here in this PDF complete graph with the consolidation effect also. That in the balance sheet, in the P&L, what are the effect is there. So please understand now. Now we are discussing this example for downward and upward. You know upward, the reversal of downward. Here holding company is selling goods to subsidiary company. See, here holding company is selling goods to subsidiary company and In the case of upward, what will be the situation? Definitely reverse situation. The subsidy company will be there who will be selling the goods to holding company. Now see, suppose costing 180 rupees has been sold to subsidy company at rupees 200. Now please see this example. This will be uploaded. So in the books of holding company, there will be entry estimated debit to sales. Definitely. So in this case, sales is there in the trading P&L, and also in the balance sheet. What you will find here? You will find here the 20 rupees in the profit and loss of holding company, and beta correspondingly you will be having the debtors also. In the debtors, you will be finding the 200 rupees as debtors of S Limited, debtor with name of S Limited. Now please understand carefully. After this, in the situation of in the books of subsidiary company, what will happen? The purchase account debit from S Limited, and in the books of S Limited, you will be having trading and P&L where a purchase will be there at rupees costing, that is 200. I think there is some problem. Please tell me fast. Everything is clear up to this or not? I am waiting, beta. I think there is some problem in the chat box. Students are messaging a lot. Anyways, please tell me, everyone. I am waiting for a message, everyone. Is everything okay? Anyways, now please see. In the books of S Limited, purchase is there. Yes, sir, it's clear till now. Okay, everything okay, sir. Okay, beta. Okay, up to this clear. It's working fine. Okay, beta. Okay, I say stuff. Thank you. Now see, purchase account debit to H Limited. In the books of S Limited, purchase is there, and if all the goods have not been sold, all the goods will become part of stock. And in this case, what will happen? Beta, stock will be there, that is 200 rupees, and creditors will also be there. And in the books of creditors, in the books of S Limited, in the balance sheet of S Limited, creditors will be containing the figure of H Limited also. Yes, beta, बिल्कुल सही है हर्षित, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो. Yes. Now see what happened here. In the case of consolidated balance sheet, see, if debtors are still lying in the contra, okay, beta, then we shall remove from there. Definitely, debtors and creditors will be there. In that case, S Limited and S Limited will be having the contra balances, and those will be removed. Yes, of course. Sir, we are not able to message through chat box. Okay. Another person is also asking, we are not able to message through chat box. Okay. Now, how can I handle the situation for taking your query if there is any query? Because in that case, only situation is, but I cannot allow, I have not been allowed to share the number because that is not the ethical here. It will be much better, beta. Please post your query here. Whatever the query you can post, don't worry. I will try my best so that you may not be having any problem in the question. Please see. Now, in the case of consolidation, while both the stocks are being merged, consolidated, then we have to remove from here the 20 rupees. 20 rupees is what? That is the unrealized profit. Okay, beta? That will have to be reduced from here. Now see. Now I am coming to next situation, that is what? Downward situation. How the downward situation will be dealt here? See. In this PDF, you will be finding both the things. I am using application, sir. No problem in chat box. Okay, Darshan. Sir, I can chat with you, sir. Okay, beta, Sunil. Okay. Beta, those which are not able to chat, maybe there is an issue of internet at their end because other students are also chatting properly. It's fine. The site of ISA is not working for chat box, but we can message through BOS ICI application. So we manage carry on. Okay, beta. Okay, Himanshu. Now see, beta, everyone. Now see. So another point is there, that is the downward situation. What will happen? Although for your exam purpose, downward streaming, downward stream transaction is not so important, but still you have to cover the all the things. I'm also feeling the internet problem, I think. Anyways, now see. Give me a minute. Okay, I am having proper speed, that is more than 80. Okay, okay. Maybe there could be some issue from the uh, technical team. Please see. Yes, I know. थोड़ी स्क्रीन ब्लर हो रही है, इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ा टेंशन हो रही है, क्योंकि ये सिचुएशन अभी अभी आई है. इधर से नेट की स्पीड तो मैंने चेक की, सही है. एनीवेज, नाउ प्लीज सी. बेटा, इन द केस ऑफ डाउनवर्ड we have done. In case of upward, what will be the situation? Sir, definitely we have to remove the amount from there where the amount of profit, unrealized profit, has been included. Now see, in this case, the profit is has been credited to the P&L of subsidiary company. So we have to remove the P&L, that is the analysis of profit. Okay, beta, for such unrealized profit, and corresponding the stock will be in the consolidated balance sheet. Let's practice with the question. In the question we shall be discussing in detail. Okay, let's start question number 5. Everyone, we shall be practicing a comprehensive question, that is question number 5. Wait a minute. Beta, please open question number 5. Yes, please open question number 5. Page number 6.64. 6.64. Yes. Balance sheet of H Limited and S Limited. Beta, see. And mark this question important. Very important. This is really a good question where you will be having different concept. Please give a heading also with a question. Give heading also. That is what? Dividend. ROE rectification is there, comma. Bonus is also here in this question, comma. Contra items are also here, comma. Unrealized profit is also there. Okay, beta. Pre-acquisition dividend rectification is there. And you can't believe in each and every batch, still from last 3 batch, I have not updated. I have not added any question in the books. The question is totally covered from the last class also, which you can see already on the YouTube. Can I show you the question of exam also? Yes, after this question practice, you will be easily solving the question of exam also. Even before that, but still I want to discuss with you the examination question only after this. Okay, beta, please check now. what is the situation in this question? What are the content of this question? Beta, equity share capital is, so share capital is there, share capital and reserve and surplus are there. Yes sir. You will be having notes to accounts here. If you are discussing here with the share capital, you will be having here notes to accounts. Okay, notes to accounts. Okay, no notes to account, this one. So share capital of holding company is there, reserve and surplus is also there, and subsidy given, that will be transferred to analysis of profit, you already know. Now see, short term provision and trade payables are also there. Okay, other current liabilities are also there. There is no anything in this which you need to explain you. Now I am discussing the question further. Better see, on the asset side you will be having the property plant and equipments. Okay sir, this will be in the cost of control, working note number 1. Okay, now see, inventories are there, trade payables are there. In the case of trade payable, yes beta, mostly same hai. Okay Harshit, cash and cash equivalent is also there, short term loans and advances are also there, other current assets are also there. Okay beta, next, all these will be directly dealt in the balance sheet. Beta, what happened here? Beta, here in the inventory you will be finding UP, unrealized profit. Corresponding, you will be removing from the holding company's profit and loss. Beta, you know, here holding company has sold the goods in this question, hence you will be removing unrealized profit from the holding company profit. Now next, there will be some contra. Beta, contra will be in the trade receivable also. Contra here, trade receivable and corresponding trade payable. First I am discussing with you all the points of the question. Now see, there is the situation in this question where the dividend is pre-acquisition, which has not been recorded properly by the holding company accountant. He has credited all the figure to profit and loss. It means there will be rectification of error in the profit and loss of holding company. That will have to be rectified in the consolidated reserve and surplus, and also there will be rectification of the figure of the investment that has been shown at 3,000. That has to be removed from here also, because the investment must be credited in case of pre-acquisition dividend, and holding company has done a mistake by crediting to P&L. That has to take care of here. Okay beta, now see, another point is also there, that is contra. Okay, bonus is also there. Yes, so subsidiary company has issued some bonus also, and for that bonus there must be first that will be added back to the analysis of profit. First we shall add back here bonus, and then we shall reduce from here in the pre-acquisition. Okay beta, so can I start now? Okay, let's start now. So we shall be solving this question in the systematic approach. So this is the wait a minute. Okay, yes, wait a minute, I am drawing the format here. Okay beta, I have already prepared working note format here, and I am now preparing the balance sheet format also. Rather, I would like to copy the format. Beta, please prepare a format of consolidated balance sheet and reserve and surplus. Everyone, please prepare a format for consolidated balance sheet and reserve and surplus, and also along with the notes there. Control C. So here I have copied a format. So I am editing the data here. Please prepare a format fast, everyone. If there will be requirement of notes to count, then definitely we shall be preparing notes to count also. This is the question number 18 in our book. Question number 18. Solution number 18. And the balance sheet date is there. That is what? 31st March 2001. Okay, beta. So I am writing here 31st March 2001. So I have prepared the format, equities and liability side. Now I am editing the figure of asset side also. Goodwill or capital, whatever the situation will be, according to that, we shall be pasting here. Yes. If there will be requirement, then we shall also prepare the notes to account. Now see, this is the situation. This is the format what we have prepared here. Now, can we start now, everyone? Give me ready, everyone, as usual. We have to manage our time. I am waiting for your message. Now see, line by line consolidation is there. Now please see, line by line consolidation is there. Question number 18. Question number 18. Yeah, 17. Page number 6.64. 5 हो गया इससे पहले भी. Yes, beta, this is the question. Now see, start from the share capital, holding company share capital and reserve and surplus of holding company. Now I am sending these to the notes to accounts. Okay, beta, we are preparing here notes to accounts. Ready? Very good. So note number 1 is there. Okay. So there is no need for notes to account. Don't worry. So 12,000 is directly being posted to the balance sheet. 12,000 is directly being posted to the balance sheet. Okay, everyone. 12,000 is there. That is being directly posted to the balance sheet. And what about the reserve and surplus of holding company? Sir, reserve and surplus of holding company is there in working note number 3. That is what? This one. So in the case of reserve and surplus, what we are doing here, there will be 2 columns for general reserve and for profit and loss. There are 2 reserve and surplus here, general reserve and profit and loss. Please check. As per the question requirement, there are 2 content in this case. So we have posted this one. Yes, sir. Now we are posting general reserve and profit and loss balance of holding company. Please put the balance there. Balance. Those are 2784. That is the balance of general reserve. And 2715 is the balance of profit and loss account for holding company. Yes. Okay. Now what about the, okay, I am removing this percentage and that will be updated as per the requirement of question. Okay, I am removing this percentage as I have copied the working note. Anyways, now in the question, what has been given? regarding the subsidy company profit and loss and share capital. Sir, subsidy company share capital is there. That is how much? That is 4800. Now it's the time to post such 4800. And for this, we have to write the question how much percentage we are having the holding. Okay, beta. H Limited purchased 180 lakh shares in S Limited on 31st March 2000. Okay. And what about this? Okay, we shall be having the content here, beta. We have to prepare a graph also along with this. Working note number 5. I am giving here working note number 5. Working note number 5. This is the graph. Year ending is 31st March 2001. So it is what? Starting of the year 1/4/2000 and ending of year is 31st March 2001. Yes, beta. Instead of preparing the column, Harshit, since you have asked in Hindi, I am answering in Hindi. बेटा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कॉलम बनाओ, आप उसको ऊपर नीचे करके भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है हर्षित? मेन है कि तुम्हें प्रेजेंटेशन में पहले अच्छा लगना चाहिए. जब तुम्हें अच्छा लगे तो एग्जामिनर को अच्छा लगेगा. Now see what the question has given us data. Share capital is there. What is that? Equity, share capital is here, and better reserve and surplus balances have also been given here. What is the equity share capital? Question has given us. In this case, question has given us the data that here is equity share capital. How much total? 4800, I think. Yes, 4800 is the total. That is the year ending data. 4800. Every figure is there. That is in lakhs. Okay, beta. 4800 lakhs. And what question has given us about information about this holding? Question has given us in the point number A that S Limited purchased 180 lakh shares in S Limited. Okay, on 31st March 2000. Okay, it means at the beginning of the year, whatever the equity share capital will be there, we have to calculate in this situation. Equity share capital is there at the beginning. We don't know that capital, what is the total capital, but question has given us the data that at this date, this is the date of acquisition also, and here how many shares company has bought? 180 lakh number of shares have been bought by company. Thank you, Harshit. That in this case you will be feeling very easy, Harshit. That's the reason I have given such a kind of presentation. Now see, date of acquisition is 1st April 2000 and number of shares. I am writing here number of shares. How many shares are there? 180 lakh shares. Okay, beta. And the balance of reserve and surplus has also been given for the date of acquisition. General reserve, profit and loss. How much? 3000 lakh and 1200 lakh. Beta, see, reserve and surplus has also been given here. The balance of reserve and surplus have also been given here. General reserve and profit and loss. We know year ending balances. Yes, sir. And what about the opening balances, sir? 3000 and 1200. Okay, 3000 and 1200 lakh figure have been given here. And what about the year ending? Sir, year ending we have found out in the balance sheet. This is the figure 1380 and 1620. 1380 and 1620. Remember, if you complete this question, you will be having the hold on holding company chapter. So please be more focused in this question. So data has been received. Yes, sir. Now what about the next point? First, we must post these points also in the analysis of profit. Okay, beta. So we are posting these points here also. So we have to prepare here 2 columns. Okay. So I am preparing here another column also. Anyway, I am recreating the statement. See, in the analysis of profit, we shall be having closing. What we shall be having? We shall be having closing. Yes. We shall be having post acquisition. We shall be having pre-acquisition. And of course, all of these things will be in 2 columns. Of course, there will be 2 columns for such. General reserve, profit and loss, general reserve, profit and loss, general reserve, profit and loss. I am also preparing analysis of profit along with the graph. Beta, graph is not necessary, but main thing is that you have to take care of the information given in the question. Pre-acquisition, that is on 1/4/2000, and this is what post-acquisition after that, and this is what closing as at 31st March 2001. There are 2 columns here: general reserve, profit and loss, general reserve, and then profit and loss, general reserve, and profit and loss. Now see what the question has given us. Data we have plotted on the graph. Still we have to post here also. And what is that? Closing balances are 1380 in general reserve and 1620 in profit and loss. Now please see what the information has been given in the question for the opening reserve and surplus. Sir, that is 3000 and 1200. Okay, 3000 and 1200. Please post here also 3000 lakhs and 1200 lakhs. It seems that general reserve was reduced during the year, that is minus 1620. That general reserve has been utilized. It seems profit and loss has been earned by rupees 420. It seems, but there are more data that has to be considered. Now we have plotted the figure on graph and also in the analysis of profit. Now it's the time to put the information on graph. Rest of the information are also there. Beta, please control this question. Please take control on this question. After analyzing such information, now you are analyzing more information given in the question. Question has given you the data that I am reading. First point number C. On 1st Jan 2001, S Limited issued bonus shares. And how many shares have been issued? Beta, such have been issued 3 shares for every 5 out of the balances on 31st March 2000. I am waiting. Beta, please see. Such bonus have been issued. Yes. How many number of shares have been issued? Question has not given us the information. Also, the question has not given us the information about the share capital before the bonus. Means, sir, please put the things on the graph. Please go to January date, January 1st, 2001 date on the graph. Where it will be? Sir, it will be around March. Yes. So this is the date. This is the date where I am writing here. This is the date where I can say that at this date, bonus issue was done. Bonus shares were issued at the rate of 3:5. And question has given this data that such has been issued out of such opening. Okay, but my question is from all of you. If such bonus shares have been issued by utilizing such profit, can I say that such bonus amount, whatever the bonus amount will be there, that such bonus amount has been reduced from such 4200 or not? Answer is no, because if the bonus has been utilized for the purpose of bonus, such profit has been utilized, it means it is clear that such has not been reduced, because if such has been utilized, then bonus could have been reduced already, and that must not be here. It means the profit belonging to the post acquisition is the profit from where such bonus have been reduced. It means step number first will be there. We have to add back. Then we shall not add back to 4200. We shall not add back to 4200, because the words here normally students get confused from the words given here. That such bonus have been issued out of such. Okay, out of such, that is okay, but that doesn't mean that has been reduced, because you have issued the bonus on January 1st and you have prepared the balance sheet on 31st March 2000, where the balances were before the bonus, and you have given in the question the information about the 4200. Those are without bonus. It means in the 4200, the bonus of such shares have not been reduced. It means that has been reduced in the post acquisition. Here, step number first will be there. You have to add always in the post acquisition. I hope I could give you the proper information, proper analysis of this information. Please see. Sir, now the situation is very critical. And what is that, beta? Sir, before bonus issue, shares have not been there, given there. Beta, but after bonus issue, shares have been given or not? Yes, sir. And what is that? These are this one, 4800. So can you say, if 100 is the opening shares, if 100 is the opening shares, then during the year, bonus have been issued 100 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. So can I say 100 multiplied by 3 divided by 5? Can I prepare an equation? Yes. 60 is there. It means at the year end, 160 is there. It means if number of shares at the beginning are 100, then applying the ratio of bonus also, the new bonus shares will come into existence 60 at the year end. At the year end, total capital will be equal to 160. It means can we not calculate in this with the help of this equation? Yes, 4800 is the year ending capital. Out of such, we can calculate bonus number of bonus share capital in this way. We can calculate the amount of bonus share capital in this way. Please see. Out of 160, 60 is bonus. It means out of 4800, what is the bonus share capital? Yes, these are really easy. Beta, 1800 is the bonus shares capital amount. So if 1800 is the bonus share capital amount, then what will be the capital at the beginning? Can you please tell me? Sorry, easy, very easy. 4800 minus 1800, that is the starting capital was there. That is how much? 3000. 3000 lakh. Please let me know, everyone. Please give here message that everything is clear up to this or not. I am waiting for your message, everyone. Please answer me fast. That everything is okay up to this or not. Yes, very good answer. Very good, beta. Shabash. Those which are not able to answer, don't worry. Answer to yourself. Because of chat box, if they are not able to answer, don't worry. I am with you also, beta. Now see, everything is clear. Now, can we read another information given in the question? Yes, sir. One more information is also given in the question. Point number B. On 1st April, subsidiary company declared a dividend 20%. On 1st April means, sir, beta, on the year starting here in this date, at this date, dividend was at this date on 1st April, dividend was declared and paid at the rate of 20%. First of all, we must understand this is final or interim dividend. Tell me everyone, I am waiting for all of you. Is this interim or final? Of course final. If nothing has been given, we cannot pre-assume interim. We have to pre-assume that it is final. Number one. Next one. It is also clear at the year starting you are paying dividend that doesn't belong to the coming year. Of course, that belongs to the past year. Yes. So for this, first we have to calculate the amount of dividend. Can you please tell me what is the amount of dividend? Yes, sir. So easy. So easy. On this bonus share, are we giving the dividend? No, sir. Dividend is how much? 3,000 share capital multiplied by 20%. That is how much? Of course, 600. 600 is the amount of dividend. 600 is the amount of dividend. Now, please answer me one question. Please answer me one question. Step first, we have to comply in the analysis of profit. Can you please tell me, even though we are paying the dividend on 1st April, which profit has been reduced? I am asking you. Question number one. Pre-acquisition has been reduced. Such dividend has been reduced from such 4,200 or from the figure that comes out during post-acquisition, from where such has been reduced. Please answer me. Only there you must be added back in the step number one. I am asking you everyone. I am waiting for this answer. Please everyone, you all must answer this question, because that may be critical. There may be critical situation for you if you are not answering properly in this case. Dividend has been paid 600. That has been paid on 1st April. The profit is there. The balance has been given already, 4,200. From where such dividend has been reduced, either from post or pre. What the answer is your? Please send me your answer, everyone. That such has been reduced from post or pre. Tell me everyone. Prithvi, Darshan, Sunil, Sahu, Harshit, Komal, Diksha, Himanshu, Sahu. I am waiting. Kavita, beta, Manisha, Ramanyan ji, Brinda, Himanshu. Yes. Tell me fast. Very good answer. Very good answer by Prithvi, Darshan, Diksha. Okay. Those which are answering, डिविडेंड तो प्री से दिया है तो प्री में ही ऐड करेंगे. नहीं बेटे, प्री का था लेकिन प्री में दिया नहीं गया था ना. प्री का बैलेंस तो पहले से ही कैलकुलेट कर रखा है ना बेटा, 4200. इसका मतलब उस 4200 में से तो घटा नहीं है. घटा होगा किसमें से? बाद में से. डेफिनेटली प्री वाले पीरियड के लिए दिया गया है, लेकिन ये पहले बैलेंस निकाल चुके हैं ना, बैलेंस शीट बना चुके हैं, तो उसमें से तो घटा नहीं है ना इसका मतलब. तो क्वेश्चन ना उलझाता है यहाँ पर कि भाई प्री में से दिया है, दैट आउट ऑफ प्री, तो बच्चा क्या होता है, कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो घटा तो वो बाद वाले में से ही है. नाउ प्लीज लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. Even though dividend belongs to the pre-acquisition period, but the pre-acquisition period profit has not been reduced since 4,200 has been calculated while preparing the balance sheet on 31st March 2000. The balance sheet profit and loss has been finalized, and after that on 1st April you are paying the dividend. It means the 4,200 is the figure that has been finalized at the last year end balance sheet. From there, that has not been reduced, because up to that situation dividend has not been paid. It means definitely that has been reduced from the post. So first we have to add it back to the post. These are the situation where a student usually commit the mistake. Hence I am discussing in the detail such a situation, beta. So clearly saying, if the balances have been given from where such dividend or bonus has been given, Definitely those have been given in the post. So first we must add in the post. Now please see. Now I am looking at the chat box. गलती होगी सर जी, concept ही गया. Okay. Now see. So that is really very easy now for all of you, everyone. So dividend has been paid for the pre-acquisition period, but that has not been reduced from the balances given. Okay. What the mistake has been done by holding company accountant? C. Holding company has credited the dividend to profit and loss account. Oh, the mistake is there. Yes, beta Ramayan. Yes. You are saying post. Definitely, beta. Understood, sir. Okay, beta. Now see. So can I say rectification of error is required? Yes. In the books of holding company? Yes. Can you please tell me what will be the amount of the dividend rectification, sir? So easy. Total 600 was total 600 was the dividend. Out of such, two persons are there. One is us, holding company, and second is what? Minority interest. So we have to rectify this one in the books of holding company. Yes. Okay. Can you please tell me the percentage? Yes, sir. So easy. Sir, 180 shares have been acquired. See, everyone. 180 is the number of shares those have been acquired. Out of how much? So 3,000 lakh is the capital divided by 10. Then you will be able to find out the number of shares. So number of shares at the beginning are how much? 300, and at the year end how much? Divided by 10. There will be 480 number of shares, total number of shares. Yes. Now please tell me, everyone, what is the percentage of holding at the year beginning and end? Sir, so easy it is. We can easily calculate. How you will calculate? Sir, 180 multiplied by 100 divided by 300. That is how much? Of course, 60%. So what will the year ending percentage? Same, sir. In the same ratio, everyone is getting the bonus shares. The situation will be same. Because if we have bought 180 shares, then definitely we shall be receiving the bonus number of shares 180 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. 180 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, it means 108 shares we have received. So total will be 180 plus 108. At the year end we will be having 288 number of shares, and we shall be calculating the percentage on that. That will also be 60%. So holding is there, that is 60%. So we can easily say that 60% dividend belongs to us and 40% belong to other investors. Out of such, 600 multiplied 360 will be the amount that will be rectified in the profit loss of holding company, and also with the investment balance given the question. Yes, very good. Then also we will be added to the post, Rajiv, and at the time of reduction we have to take care of, if belongs to pre, then we have to reduce from pre. If belongs to post, then we have to reduce from post. Now come back to the question, everyone. You have analyzed this one. You have analyzed this information also. You have also plotted the information on the graph. Now, both of these are the this is what? This is the contra item. Please understand what question has given us here in this question. This is what? This is contra. That on 31st March 2001, year ending, blood pressure of the S Limited include the acceptance BR in the favor of S Limited. You know, beta, bills payable. Yes, S Limited has given acceptance to S Limited. So contra is not always in debtor creditor only, but there may be other situation also, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, etc. Here bills payable and bills receivable. Maybe all the bills payable have been received by S Limited has been discounted. Maybe. So if they are having common still on the date of balance sheet, only those will be cancelled. Beta, see, on that date it held only 4,500, but the rest have been sent to outside of the group. Those have been endorsed to other creditors. But it means what is the amount of contra? That is 45 lakh only. So 45 lakh will be contra from bills payable and with receivable. Now next last point we have to discuss here first. Inventory on 31st March 2001 as limited, subsidy limited inventory include, beta, it means holding company has sold. It is the downward transaction. Yes sir, it means this is the downward transaction. It was purchased from holding company for rupees 100 lakh. Can I say this is the purchase price for subsidy company and sales price for holding company? Yes sir. What will be the amount of UP unrealized profit? Who will tell me unrealized profit amount? Sir, so easy it is. How you are saying? Sir, 100 lakh is the 125, and out of such 125 we have to calculate only 25. Oh. It means 20 rupees there, that can be called as unrealized profit. That has to be reduced from the stock. Which stock is there of subsidy company stock that is being merged with the holding company, and also from corresponding which profit, from the holding company profit, because holding company is there who has sold the goods. So beta here we have analyzed all the information here in this case. Now I want to give you a break so that at least you may digest the situation, you may digest the question, and you may be having the time to try the solution. After the break, after the 5 minutes break, only 5 minutes beta, I am giving you only 5 minutes. There will be two break of 5 minutes, as the situation is very complicated. If the concept, all the concept will be discussed simultaneously, you need time at least to digest. So beta, here is the situation. Now you are having the break of only 5 minutes. You will be analyzing the profit. Please try to solve at your part. Okay beta, after 5 minutes I will be live and solving the question, so you are getting the opportunity to solve the question like in the face to face classes. सब ब्रेक लगा दीजिए. नियाज जी, आयाज जी, हो गया? Okay. Yes, everyone. Now please see. I have given you more than the required time. Now it's the time to solve the question along with me. Now please check your solution also. So beta here in the analysis of profit, how the situation will be handled, it matters only depending upon the control you are having on the graph. Beta, through the graph you will be having the control on the question, the grip on the question. Very, very nice. Only two of the person are there who are saying, yes sir, we are back. It seems like face-to-face classes, really. Now please see. Beta, first we shall add back. The 2 points are there only. What are those? Number 1, bonus. Number 2, dividend. These are the 2 points. These are the 2 points. Beta, see, for the bonus, normally we utilize the reserve, the past profits also, then reserve and profit and loss is there, then we normally we prefer to utilize reserve. Now see, we shall be adding back this bonus. Since 1800 is the figure, it seems that 1620 has been utilized from this and rest 180 has been utilized from this. In this way, very good Prithvi, Komal, Rajiv and all rest of the students, very good. This is the things which I want. There must be properly communication like face-to-face classes. Now better see, we have added 1800 into 2 parts. Bonus 1800 rupees have been given out of post acquisition, no doubt, because the figure has been reduced from the post acquisition. That's another thing, that from where such should be. Now first we have to add back from where such has been reduced. So post acquisition profit has been reduced and 1800 will be added back to the post acquisition in this way. Now see, dividend has been given how much? That is 600. So definitely, since reserve is not there, hence such has been given out of profit and loss. Beta, your figures may be different than the solution provided by ICI, but the final answer will be same. The situation will be according to the assumption from general reserve, from profit and loss, etc. There will be no effect on your marks. The main thing is that the final answer will be same for the post and pre. Now, what is the profit before effecting such? That is how much? 3000. So I am writing with the red color. That shows here pre 3000 and then 1200. What about the post acquisition? But general reserve is nil and profit loss is how much? 1200. Is there any requirement of time adjustment? See, no, there is no requirement of time adjustment because as per the graph, everything was given, the balance has been given of 1st April 2000. Yes, Sunil. Now see, now we have to reduce such bonus and dividend. Beta, according to the chronological order given in the question, first dividend was declared at the year starting date, 1st April. Beta, here 600 is the dividend since it belongs to pre-acquisition period. Now please let me know, please tell me from where such should be reduced, from pre-acquisition or post-acquisition, everyone. From where such should be reduced? So such belongs to pre-acquisition period. And even if such doesn't belong to pre-acquisition, if question has given this line, please read this carefully. If question has given us the line out of, anyways, in this question, such line is not there. If question has given that dividend also belongs to pre, but that has been distributed out of pre, then remember, as per year 13, to satisfy the definition of pre-acquisition, there was also the situation when the profit is being distributed out of pre-acquisition, then also such becomes pre-acquisition dividend. Okay. Now we shall reduce from the pre-acquisition, that is how much? 600. Beta, can you please tell me from where bonus will be deducted? Sir, bonus is 1800. Sir, bonus is 1800. For that, we must utilize first the capital profits, CRR, security premium, capital profits, and then revenue profits. Yes. And here, capital profits you are finding in the pre. First, you must be reducing from the pre. And in that case, also, you have to utilize first the reserves. Only then you have to go for the profit and loss. And what will be the pre-acquisition profit in this situation? 1200 is the general reserve. And what about the profit and loss? That is 600 remaining. What about the post-acquisition? Nil. And there is no any adjustment. Is there any adjustment? No. That is 1200 is fully pending. Now, what about the situation of minority and holding? Beta, minority is 40% and holding is 60%. So this is what? 12 चौक 48, 480, 12 छिक 72, 720, 6 चौक 24, 6 छंग 36, 360, नील नील, 12 छिक 72, 12 चौक 48, 480, 12 छिक 72, 720. What is the total of this? 1200, 96, 240. Yes. Can I post such 1200 to minority interest? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Share capital will be there. Share capital will be there. And then profits will be there. That is how much? Of course, 1200. Now, what about the situation of this one? This is the COC part, cost of control, working note number 1. So we shall be posting here. In this case, investment balance will be there. And definitely there will be some rectification of error. Remember, do you remember, out of such 600, there will be some rectification. Only after that, we shall be able to find out the correct balance. And from there, then we shall be reducing the net assets acquired. And net assets acquired is number 1, share capital. Number 2, pre-acquisition profits, pre-profits, pre-reserve and surplus I am writing here. 1 is general reserve and then profit and loss. Beta C. General reserve and profit and loss figure we have found out 720 and 360. 720 and then 360. 2 और 4, 2 और 6, 8, 7 और 3, 10. So this is the situation. We have to post acquisition profit also in the consolidated reserve and surplus. Please see, post acquisition period profit belonging to holding company, that has to be posted in the consolidated reserve and surplus. And that is how much? 720 is this one. 720 is this one. And this is what? This is nil. There will be one rectification for the pre-acquisition dividend also. And for that figure, we have to rectify the investment and also the profit loss, because the dividend has been credited to here. You know this one, this 600 dividend which has been given by subsidiary company out of pre-acquisition, that is pre-acquisition dividend. And as per the question, even the question is silent, then also we have to presume this one, that this one, that such has been credited by holding company's accountant in the profit and loss. So we have to correct the profit loss and the investment also. As out of 600 total dividend, we are the owner of shareholder of 60%. Hence, we have to rectify only 60%. That is the 360 rupees amount that has been added in the profit loss hence that must be reduced from the profit loss of holding company. Corresponding rectification will be in the investment account. Since the investment account, whatever the balance will be there, that has to be reduced from 360 because that must be reduced, but that has not been reduced by crediting to profit loss. Now see, what about the rest of the situation? Beta, you have completed all the tasks you have summarized on the graph. Now it's the time to solve the question step by step from the balance sheet. And now we are moving to the question balance sheet directly from the question step by step. Now see, we have completed to add share capital, this one, and we have also completed okay, not we have not completed the share capital of subsidiary company. Please post 4800 according to the ratio, and the ratio is here. What will be the ratio here for controlling? 60%. What about the ratio here for minority? That is of course 40%. Now see, share capital is there, that is how much? 4800 multiplied by 60%, and here 4800 multiplied by 40%, 2080 1920. Yes sir, investment and P&L में होगा. Yes beta, yes, very good. What will the total figure? 3120. And what is the balance here? Okay, let's check the from the question. We have considered share capital. Yes, now is the time to consider reserve and surplus. Have we mentioned the reserve and surplus of holding company? Yes. Now what about the subsidiary company? Yes, that has been added. Now it's the time to consider trade payable in the balance sheet. Okay, step by step. Can we post the figure of minority interest here, since we have already completed the task? Yes, 3120. Okay, now trade payable is there, and short-term provision are also there, and other current liabilities. But let's prepare a notes for such. Non-current liabilities are not there, as we are preparing here notes account number 1 for current liabilities and provision. Let's prepare a note. Note number 1, current year and previous year. Note number 1. Beta, give a heading there. Notes to accounts. Notes to accounts. You have to prepare such notes to accounts on next page, not on the same page. I am showing you here so that you may be relating the things, but you do not have to prepare in this way. You have to prepare always on the separate page. Current liabilities and provisions. Current year, previous year. But a trade payable. Trade payables are there. There is no any contra. S limited and S limited is there. Next is short-term provision. Short-term provisions. H limited and then S limited. There is nothing which can be called here contra. Next is what? Blood pressure. Bills payable. Yes, there will be contra. First write down here S limited, S limited. After doing the total, then we shall be reducing the contra items. Minus contra. So let's complete this thing. Trade payable is there. How much? That is 1461. Trade payable is there. That is 1461 and 854. Yes, that is 2315. No corresponding figure is there. Short term provision 855 plus 394. Total becomes 1249. There is no contra here. Next one, bills payable 372 and 160 is there. Total becomes 532, and question has given us the data that 45 lakhs are contra. So we are removing here from here contra. That is how much? 47 is the final figure. Now, is there anything else in the question? Yes, dividend payable has also been given. Already dividend could have been declared and not yet paid. Dividend payable, that is how much? 1200 for H limited, and nothing is there for S limited. So everyone, what is the total for this? Tell me fast. Calculator कहाँ है जी? ये रहा. Let me do the total. 2315 plus 1249 plus 487 plus 1200. Okay, total becomes 5251. 5251. Okay. Yes. So we have to post such figure directly to the balance sheet. 5251. Now next, we have posted the figure line by line. All these figures have been posted, beta. I am highlighting here. Those have been posted. Yes, these have been posted. Now it's the time to post the figure of asset side, beta. Known current assets are there. Property, plant and equipment. Is there any notes to accounts? Yes. What is the figure there in the notes to account? Please check for the assets. Yes. So here we have to prepare a notes to accounts. That will be much better. Note number 2 will be there. So I am preparing here notes to accounts. Okay, beta. For property, plant and equipment. Note number 2. Note number 2. Property, plant and equipment. What the figures are there? What the content are there? Land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fitting. Land and building, H limited, S limited. Plant and machinery, and then furniture fittings, H limited and S limited. Everyone, are you practicing with me? Show me your presence fast. Furniture and fittings. But I am waiting for your answer, everyone. Show me your presence. Yes, very good. Now, land and building is there. That is how much? 2718. 2718. No figure is for S limited. 2718 is outer column figure. Now, next, plant and machinery. 4905, 4900. 4905, 4900. No, no, 18. एक 4 4 8 और एक 9 9805. Next one, furniture. 1845 586. 1845 586. What is the total figure? 2431. What is the total property, plant and equipment? 2718 plus 9805 plus 2431. That is how much? 14954. This is the total figure that has to be posted. Yes, sir. We are also practicing. Very good. So 14954. Beta, please post this figure directly to the balance sheet. 14954. Next one. What about investment? Is there any other investment? No. Beta, please check. Now it's the time to consolidate the figure of investment. There is no any other investment. 3000 will be directly posted to the working note. Since there is no any other investment, I am giving here nil. Now I am moving to working note. Note number 1. How much amount is there? That is the investment. So 3000 is the figure that has to be posted here. Now please correct the balance of investment. That has to be rectified before comparing with the net assets acquired. That is how much? 2640. 2640. Next. While you will be comparing with this, so what will be the figure you will be able to find out as a goodwill or capital reserve? Yes. 2640. Yes. 2080 plus 1080 minus 2640. What is the amount? That is 520. Wait a minute. Okay, this one is 4800 multiplied by 60%. That is okay. Please correct this figure. This is 2880. This is what? 2880. Not 2080. 2880. And here capital reserve is there. That is how much? 1320. Please correct. Yes, beta. Very good. Capital reserve is there. That has to be posted to the reserve and surplus. Another column will be there, or you can directly post it to the balance sheet since you are having working note. I think no, you are not having working note. Directly post to the consolidated reserve and surplus. Please insert another column here. In all other question, there is no requirement because there were no multiple ledgers in the reserve and surplus. Anyways, capital reserve. How much amount is there? Working note number 1. That is 1320. 1320. Can you please give me the total? 2784. Then 2715 minus 360. One more thing is also there that has to be adjusted here. So we cannot conclude right now because unrealized profit is also there. So one last adjustment is also there, that is unrealized profit. Now it's the time to merge inventory, and here we shall be able to find out the unrealized profit. But this is the inventory. Yes. Okay. We shall be reducing from here unrealized profit. I am highlighting here unrealized profit, but the figure will be coming right now. Don't worry. So here we shall be concentrating here first inventories. In the current assets, multiple current assets are there. So we shall be preparing another working note, another notes to accounts. That is note number 3. Please give here note number 3 and prepare here note number 3. I am preparing here, but please you will be preparing in a different page. I am assuming that. Note number 3, current assets. Current year, previous year. Number 1, inventories. Holding company and subsidiary company. Beta, out of 600, out of 600, what is the 60% beta? Tell me first. Of course 360, and 360 is the figure that have been 360 is the figure that has been credited to P&L, that should be credited to investment. Okay beta. Hence here beta you have to take care of this thing, that rectification is of 360, which has been wrongly credited to P&L instead of crediting to investment account. If investment account could have been credited, then that must be reduced. Okay, Ramanarayan ji. Okay, now please see. Inventories are there. How much? That is 3949. 3949 and then 1956. 1956. What is the total? 3949 plus 1956. 5905 minus UP, unrealized profit. Beta, what is the amount of profit here? Unrealized profit. Can you please tell me what is the amount of unrealized profit? Sir, question has given us the data, and after analyzing the data here, see this one 100. Okay, we have already calculated. Multiply by 25 divided by 125. Okay, that is what? 20. So 20 is the figure that has to be reduced from both of the side. 20 from here. Okay, and also from the profit and loss of holding company, consolidated reserve and surplus, because that has been part of profit and loss of holding company. Okay beta, we have also found out the figure here for final. Except this, all the things have been adjusted. Can I also give the final figure here? 2715 plus, sorry, minus 360 minus 20 plus 720. What is the final figure here? That is 3055. What about this? 1320. And what is the final figure of consolidated reserve and surplus? We can post that since we have already calculated the total. 7159 after adding all the things. Anyways, so we were solving the inventory part. So come back to that. So what is the inventory figure now after reducing the unrealized profit? 5905 minus 20. 58 5885. 5885. 5885. This is what inventory figure now. Next one. After this, come to the next point. Beta, trade receivables are there, and you know there may be some contra. I think there is some contra. Please check. Is there any contra? Trade receivables H limited and then S limited. No, there is nothing which can be called as contra here. What is the amount? 2600, 1363, 2600, and then 1363. What is the total, everyone? Total is there, that is 3963. Next one. Next part of the current assets is cash and cash equivalent 1490. Okay. Cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent. H limited and S limited. H limited and S limited. H limited cash and cash equivalent is how much? So that is 1490. Okay. 1490. What about next? 204. 204 4961 1694. 45 lakh contra beta. 45 lakh is the, okay, let me check. I think you are right, but that is in bills receivable, not in debtor cater, hai na? Okay. Now see, after this next point is there, that is short-term loans and advances. And what is the detail of short-term loans and advances? Please check. What is the detail of short-term loans and advances? Short-term loans and advances are there. What is the note number? That is note number 6. So check, note number 6 is there. Note number 6 is there. That is sundry advances. Okay. There is nothing. In this case, what is the short-term loans and advances? Short-term loans and advances. Beta, H limited is there and S limited is there. And it is the part of only H limited. Nil balance is there with other. So 520 is the final figure. There is no contra in this case. Next one. After that, next current assets is there. That is what? Other current assets, note number 7. Check, note number 7 is there. That is what? Bills receivable. Okay. Bills receivable. H limited is there. And then S limited is also there. Beta, what is the amount? That is 360, 199. 360, then 199. Total figure is there. Total figure is there. How much? 360 and 199. That is 559. Can you reduce contra from here? Yes. That is how much? 45. What is the final figure for the outer column? Minus 45. That is 514. 514. Very good. Now see, after this, is there anything else which can be called? No, everything has been posted here. Okay, okay. So total that has to be posted here is how much? 514 plus 520 plus 1694 plus 3963 plus 5885. How much that is? 12. But according to me, this is the total. 12576. Please check everyone and tell me that this total is wrong or right. 12,576. Contra, yes, that has been reduced here. But please tell me everyone. 14954 27,5. Okay, you have given the total of this one. 27,530 is total of asset side. And what about this? 12,000 plus 7,159 plus 3,120 plus 5,251. Yeah, same total is there. 27,530. I am waiting for your feedback. Whatever the feedback you are having, you must post here and also at Google review. I got only three students out of you which have posted your Google review for me. It is my request, again, last request, since we are meeting last time in this session, that please search at Google CA Jarati and give your Google review, whatever the feedback you are feeling. Okay. But do you want to see the question of exam? How easy the examination question was? As I told you, as I promised you that you must be having the clarity about the examination question also. You will be feeling more confidence. Only one thing is there in this class which is pending, that is profit and loss consideration. I will be practicing, don't worry. And 30 number question were in exam from such. Beta, see, this is the suggested answer. ICI has published this suggested answer. Yes, beta, see. Please open question number 3, I think. Please open question number 3. Question number 3. Please read this. See, total 30 marks question were there. This is the question of G Limited and its subsidiary S Limited. Beta, this is the information of profit and loss which has to be consolidated. Don't worry, we shall be practicing after a few minutes. You know what were the marks? 15 marks. While you will be practicing now, you will be feeling very easy why 15 marks level has been given to such a kind of question. But still, enjoy your marks. 30 marks question was there from this company, from this chapter. Another question was also in this. Please see. And that is the question different. That is question number. I am giving you the question number also. I am showing you the question. Another question is there, that is consolidated financial statement. इतनी दूर तो नहीं था यार, नहीं पहले ही है वो. कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर है? ये रहा दिस वन. This is the question number. Yes, see, question number 4. Please read this question number 4. I am showing you question number 4 is for holding subsidiary company. Please see first marks. First see the marks. 15 marks are there. And what you have to prepare, draw a consolidated balance sheet as a 31st March 2023. Please feel the confidence. What the adjustments will be there and what the discussion will be there. Beta, S Limited acquired 15,000 shares of S Limited. How much amount is there? That is costing 1,55,000. See, in the balance sheet, 1,55,000 balance has been given. Now see, on which date such has been acquired? July 1st, 2022. Beta, what is the balance sheet date? 31st March. Can you please tell me what is the pre-acquisition period, everyone? I am waiting for your answer. Tell me fast, what is the pre-acquisition period and what is the post-acquisition period here in this question? So that is very, very easy. We can prepare a graph. Okay, that is your homework. But at least tell me what is the pre-acquisition. Sir, so easy it is. 31st March 2023 is the year ending date. And 1st July is the date of acquisition. Sir, July to 31st March. That is the pre-acquisition, sorry, post-acquisition. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, April, May, June. हटा दो ना. What is that? 9 months. 9 months is post-acquisition. Everyone, very good, Manisha beta. Correct answer. Very good, beta. Ramanan ji. Very good, everyone. Those are answering. A perfect answer by all of you. Now feel the confidence. You must be having the confidence in this case because you have practiced the huge advanced question and you are facing the easy question in exam. See, what is the situation? Beta, equity share capital that will be posted in the consolidated reserve and surplus. This is what 250 lakh is the consolidation purpose, working note number 1 and 2, minority interest and consolidated cost of control. Next, general reserve balance. Beta, holding company balance is there and subsidiary company balances are there. Reserve and profit and loss. Blood pressure is there. Trade creditors are also there. See how easy question has been given. Please feel the confidence. Plant and machinery and furniture. Beta, holding company and subsidiary company will be added. Investment in the working note number 1, cost of control. Now see, stock in trade, all these are being clubbed in the balance sheet according to the requirement of notes to accounts if there is requirement. Now see what the question is giving you. Remember, in this question you are having these things: 31st March 2023, 1/4/2022. Beta, July 1st is the date. So 9 months you are having in the post acquisition and 3 months you were having in the pre-acquisition as discussed with you all. What the question is saying you? Beta, see, the reserve and surplus balance has been given this one. How much amount is that? Sir, that is reserve and surplus of subsidiary companies 40,000 and 25,000. Okay, put that figure on the graph. Put that figure on the graph. General reserve and profit and loss are there. How much? That is general reserve and profit and loss 40,000. How much that is? Oh, I forgot. 40,000 and 25,000. Oh, so easy it is. 40,000 and 25,000 is the balance. And what is the balance? That is the beginning balance. Question has given us that general reserve appearing in the balance sheet of S Limited remain unchanged. Remain unchanged since 31st March 2022. It means general reserve was same. General reserve was same. 40,000, same as on opening date. Is there any change in the post acquisition? No, there is no change in the post acquisition. Now see, beta, question has given us the data. Profit earned by S Limited amounting to rupees 20. Beta, question has not given us the balance of profit loss at the beginning. Question has given us the data regarding this, that during the post acquisition from this to this. Question has given us the step number first solution after multiplying after adding back the situation. Question has given us the earned net profit during that is 20,000. Means step 1 has already been done and we have to either post to pre or post according to the time duration. Now see, question has given us the data. Another data is there. Please answer me fast. Question has given us the data that S Limited holding company sold goods to S Limited costing rupees 8,000, sales price rupees 10,000. And what question has given us the data? See, 25% still unsold with S Limited, remained with. Okay, beta, at year end, it means can we say out of such, only 20% is the figure that belongs to the inventory still in the balance sheet, and we have to remove the unrealized profit from such. Come on, tell me everyone, what is the unrealized profit for such? I am waiting, everyone. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Who will answer me? I am waiting for your answer, beta. Okay. Ajay, beta, I am unable to answer. Only ICI staff can tell you answer, beta. So please, everyone, tell me fast. 25% is there. Means can we say 25%? 2,000 is the profit of which 25% that will be the unrealized profit. So we can directly solve in this way. So 500 is the figure that belongs to unrealized profit. Now see, if question has not given us next line, point number 4, if question has not given us point number 4, then we shall be reducing the contra 10,000 definitely. But question has given us the data. Creator of S Limited include that due to on account of these goods. These means this one. Okay, beta. It means 4,000 is only the amount that is still contra. So you will be solving the question with the help of this only with the contra 4,000. So question is strictly restricting you that even though the amount was 10,000, but maybe 6,000 has been realized. So out of this only 4,000 is pending on account of these goods. So this is what contra. Trade receivable payable will be trade receivable debtor and creditor will be reduced from 4,000 both of the side. Now question is saying another point. Out of bills payable issued to S Limited, 15,000 are those have been accepted in favor of S Limited. Out of these, endorse 8,000. Okay, beta. Out of 15,000, question has told you the story that we have the story of 15,000 bills payable. Those have been given to H Limited. Okay. But H Limited has done 8,000. H Limited has endorsed 8,000 to the creditors outside the group. It means what are the amount is still lying in the group? So out of 15,000, 8,000 and gone outside the group. It means 7,000 is still in contra. Okay, beta. So here you will be 7,000 will be the contra blood pressure, bills payable, bills receivable. Can I start to solve another question? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. See one more question. The same type of question are being asked in exam again and again. So please see this question also, and after that we shall be solving the profit loss consolidation question. That is very, very easy. That is okay. See the past examination question. Okay, where that is in my book. Please open past examination question also. See the question level. See the question level, beta. You have to calculate goodwill or capital reserve. You are required to calculate, and please take marks. And now see, this is the balance sheet which has been given. This is the trial balance of X Limited and Y Limited. Beta, this is the trial balance of X Limited, Y Limited. See what the question has given: equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus, debentures, trade receivable of both the companies. Instead of in the format of balance sheet, question has given us the data of balance sheet in the form of trial balance. We have to directly shift to the balance sheet. Now profit loss balances are also there. Okay, beta. Now see purchase sale. Beta, question has given us the data also. Now question is giving you one more thing that in the Y Limited acquired on 1st July. Beta, what is the date of balance sheet? Trial balance is there. That is 31st March 2021, and date of acquisition is July. So can I say April, May, June, 3 and 9 months is the pre and post acquisition period, and 80% of equity share capital and 50% of preference share has been acquired. Now question is saying that H Limited has sold goods. X Limited supply goods to Y Limited at cost plus 25%. Invoice value of such is 120,000. 1/4 of such still lying. Can I say 120,000 multiplied by 1/4, that is 30,000 is the invoice value of stock lying with the subsidiary company? Yes. So out of such 30,000, can I calculate the unrealized profit? Yes, sir, because 25% is of cost. So 125 will be divided. So 6,000 will be there. That will be unrealized profit. Question has given us the data, depreciate and please prepare the balance sheet of both the companies. Now see, this is the level of the question. Now see, this is the question. Summarized balance sheet has been given by H Limited and S Limited. These are the level of question, beta. Shareholder funds, reserve and surplus holding company, subsidiary company, loans, trade payable, etc. Question is given as the liability data also. And here you are finding the assets also, property, plant and equipment, and investment in S Limited. 19,200 shares have been acquired. Inventories and these. Question is saying you the following information is also given. Estimated purchase 9,200 shares. Estimated purchase 9,200 shares on April 1st, 2019. Beta, what is the balance sheet date? Sir, balance sheet date is 31st March 2020. And what is the date of acquisition? 31st March 2019. That is the 1 year before. That is the 1st April. 1st April. That is the opening. Hence, the balance of such date has also been given in the question. There is no need to check anything else. Already, time adjustment has been removed in the question. But this is the revaluation part. Plant and machinery and revaluation figure has been given. And what the question is there, that is the contra part. Only these are the points which are being asked in the exam. See the level of question. Please solve all these questions in homework. I am clearly giving you the information about the question, what the question are asking. This is the question of revaluation of assets only, revaluation of fixed assets only. Only these are the points which are being asked in exam, and marks have been given the weightage of 15 marks. Okay, beta. See what the question has given us the data. Balance sheet date is there. Please check. Balance sheet date is there. That is 31st March 2020. And what question has given us the data? That estimated acquired on 1st October. You know October, April, May, June, July, August, September means 6 and 6 pre and post acquisition period. And what the situation is there? That is profit loss account of that and that on 1st April 2019. Beta, year beginning balances have been given. It means time and adjustment will be there. Beta, here dividend 10% out of same on 1st November. Beta, dividend is there. The dividend was correctly accounted by estimated. It means you do not need to check, that rectification will be there. Since question has given us clearly the data that pre-acquisition dividend has been correctly accounted, there is no need to do rectification. But it is the point. Second point is for revaluation of fixed assets. See what the level of question they are asking. Now next question. Please come to the level of question examiner are asking. See, cost of working note number 1 and working note number 2 are being asked from you in the examination. Next question is there. See, the level of question is, please write down here, revaluation of fixed assets. In this question, main point is that only the revaluation of fixed assets point is there. See, the balance sheet date is there. That is how much? 31st March 2017. Now see, the question has given us the data acquired 80% of shares on 1st April 2016. On the date of acquisition, balance has been given. And here you will see the revaluation part. Beta, here you will see the contra part, contra, and here you will see unrealized profit part. See the level of question. Only the question is matters of practice, nothing else. So can I start now consolidation of profit and loss account? Yes, sir. Why don't we start with the examination question? Sir, is this so easy level? Yes. See, we are now practicing the pending point, that is consolidation of profit and loss. Give me a ready, everyone. Everyone give me a ready, so that I can understand that everything is fine up to this and you are also ready for the new last concept of this chapter. I know this is not the way to teach. I was in very much hurry, but still I have to follow the number of lectures limitation, and you also. So I am waiting, everyone. Give me a ready. So profit, yes, ready. Very good. And if I will ask you, give me a Google review, search at Google CA.in and give review, then you will not give. Oh, only 3% has given me review. Anyways, but a profit and loss account of A Limited and B Limited. But a holding is A Limited and subsidiary is B Limited. Now see, I will solve with you this question from the PDF, but I have given solution also. We have to do here is consolidation of profit and loss. See, question is given us the profit and loss statement, and some of the adjustment are also there. Question is asking us that prepare a consolidated profit and loss for the year. A Limited sold. Beta, remember, you are preparing consolidated profit and loss, not the consolidated balance sheet. What the thing we have to take care here? First, understand the concept. One concept. You have already practiced such concept in the case of branch chapter. Head office and branch are there. You know, head office and branch. Yes, sir. That was a very interesting chapter. While we shall be consolidating in case of independent branch, there were three column, head office column, branch column, and total column. Head office column, branch column, and total column. What have you done in the total column? Sir, there were three column, HO column, branch column, and then total column. HO column, branch column, and total column. So this was our trading and profit and loss. What you have done in that chapter? If you are in trading account, you shown that goods sent to branch. You know, in the sales you are showing here goods sent to branch. Yes, sir. If 100 rupees costing goods have been sent to branch by HO, suppose 110 at 110. But 110 was also the figure of purchase in the form of goods received from head office, goods from HO. That was how much? 110. What you did in the total column? Tell me. Can anyone tell me? While you are consolidating, what you did here in the total column? Sir, we ignored such contra, mutual, purchase and sale. Yes, that's the thing. Same is the matter here for consolidating profit and loss. Beta, yes, nil. Very good. Taking 0. Yes, that's the thing I want to from all of you. Beta, now it's the time to consolidate holding and subsidy. See, I am consolidating the figure. It seems that total figure is 7,500 plus 1,500. How much is the amount? 9,000. 1,500 plus 300. That is how much? 1,800. Next one. Raw material consumed there. That is how much? 1,500. Please total. Give a total first. 1,425. Next. 450. 450. 375. 225 and 225. Only the things are there which you have to take care of the adjustments. If something is contra, that has to be removed from both of the side, because one is, if for one entity there will be income side, then corresponding there will be expense side for the other entity. Yes, only these are the matters. See, point number 1. A Limited sold goods of rupees 180 lakh at cost plus 25. Better now see. Please check. First of all, I am asking for you 180. What the 180 figure will be? Sir, that will be in both of the side. In the sales and also in the purchase. Yes. How will you do? Sir, first we shall remove such contra amount. Sir, we shall remove such contra and we shall be able to find out the final figure that has to be posted in the total column. Beta, minus 180, because we have to reduce such 180 from the sales side and also in the purchase side. Beta, where is purchase? Sir, in the raw material consumed. We used to adjust the purchase. There is no purchase of stock in trade separately. Okay, beta. So we have to remove from such also. Okay. Now please check everyone. What is the final figure up to this? Sir, up to this figure is 1,320. And what about this sales? Sir, up to this 9,000 minus 180. It seems that 8820 is final figure, but maybe There is another situation. Yes, there is another situation also. Beta, see what happened here. Beta, there is one more thing, that is 1/6 of such profit are still lying with the inventory of B Limited. It means out of such we have to remove the unrealized profit also. Yes. So what the profit that has been realized here? 180 multiplied by 1/6, that is what? 30. And on such 30 multiplied by 25 divided by 125, that is 6 rupees. That has to be reduced. That has to be reduced from such. That is how much? 6 rupees. How much that is? 6 rupees. Everyone, now please see from where such will have to be adjusted. Sir, first of all, we have to adjust it from the other income. Sorry, from here. That is how much? That is 6 rupees. Unrealized profit. Sir, correspondingly, cost is also, beta 36 तो total है. Out of that, the pending is that. That is how much? Only 6. Yes. Yeah, I am removing only 6. Okay, beta. That has to be reduced from both of the side. From purchase also. Yes, of course, -6. Because that has been added in the inventory part. Sorry, not purchase. Sorry, not purchase. That has been shifted in the inventory adjustment. And where is inventory adjustment? Is there any increase or decrease? Yes, this one is there. This one is there. Not here, because that has been corresponding effect will be in the balance sheet, and second effect will be in the inventory. Yes, from here. That has to be reduced from here. That is how much? 6 rupees. I am writing with the different color. Wait a minute. 6 rupees. That has to be reduced from here. So it seems the final figure of increase in inventory is how much? 1800 minus 6. That is how much? 1794. But a corresponding second effect will be in the balance sheet. So the effect will be on in this case, because we have cancelled full transaction. The inventory effect will also be removed from here. Now next, what about the next adjustment? That is how much? So administration expenses of B Limited include 8 lakh paid to A Limited as consultants fees. It means A Limited got the income 8 lakh and B Limited got the expense 8 lakh. So first we shall remove from the income. The consultancy fees definitely could have been added here. How much amount is the consultancy fees? That is how much? 8 lakh. So such 8 lakh has to be cancelled from here. Yes, such 8 lakh has to be cancelled from here in this way. And what is the corresponding second effect? So that will be in the adjustment of the expenses, because that has been added in the administration expenses. See, yes, administrative expenses. What is the administrative expenses? This one, minus 8, 442. And what about the figure there? 8812. Okay. Is there anyone who is having problem? I am waiting, beta. Please tell me fast. I am waiting, everyone. Please tell me fast. If someone is having problem, then please let me know. Otherwise, I am moving further. Selling and distribution expenses of A Limited includes 15 lakhs paid to B Limited as commission. Beta, B Limited is having income. A Limited is having selling and distribution expense. So first we must reduce from here another contra item from the expense 15, 360 remaining, corresponding in the income. Consultancy income is of course in sales and other income. So minus 15. Is equal to 8797. Up to this clear? Okay, beta, no problem, sir. Very good. Now next, what about rest? Wait a minute. A Limited holds 72% of equity share capital. Equity share capital of B prior to 1617 is 15 lakh, 1500 lakhs. Okay, no issue. Now, see beta, what question is trying to say. Another point is also there. That is this one. Beta, we have to regroup the things as per the schedule 3, employee benefit expenses, etc., etc., etc. So please see, I am showing you the solution here, where you will post such. That is what revenue from operation as per schedule 3, revenue from operation. Please see, the solution is here. Notes to accounts, revenue from operation. You have already sold this revenue from operation. You know schedule 3 format. Do you remember schedule 3 format, everyone? You have posted this one. That has to be posted here in this case. This one. But now see, where is increase or decrease in inventory? Sir, that comes in expenditure side. Yes, beta. Change in inventory 1794. You have already finalized the figure 1794. Now, what about the rest? Raw material consumed is there. Cost of raw material consumed 1770. Now see, 1770. Something is there which has been left, I think. Okay, okay. Here the grouping of such expenses have been done. Let us see. In the raw material consumed, we have also grouped the production expenses. This one, both of these are being clubbed there. 130. If you add 130, 1320 plus 450, then as per grouping you will be finding 1770 figure that is being grouped here. Now next, rest is what? Employee benefit expenses 1425. 1425 employees benefit expenses. You have also done this. Administrative expenses, selling. Better see. First, interest expense. You have to post here finance cost because you are having the head of finance cost, and then depreciation, and rest all are in the other expenses group. So you have posted here another other expenses group. After that, you will be able to find out profit before tax. Then the tax expense of both the entities are being merged. 2100, 2100. Okay, beta. This is what your profit after tax. Up to this, everything clear? Yes, sir. Group 1 mein padha tha. Yes. So, beta, same is the case with other questions. This is the exam question. Can you please solve the question of exam? Just you find out in the exam. Please see. The question number 3 is there. 15 marks question in the exam. So, see, this is the question. Prepare a consolidated profit and loss statement with this subsidy. For the marks are 15. See, this was the recent examination question. Same type of question was there. Beta, 31st March 2023 is the year. Beta, see, sales and other income, increase in inventory, raw material consumed. I think only figure is changed. Everything is already covered in the book. G Limited sold 200 crores. You know, 200 crores will be the sales price. So that will be reduced. 1/5 of such goods. Beta, same type of amount has been given. G Limited owns 75% of equity and preference, वगैरह वगैरह. Administration expenses of that include that paid to that as consultancy fees. That will be contra. Selling and distribution, that expenses that has been paid to commission. Those are contra. Beta, maximum to maximum 10 minutes will be in this question, and you will be able to get the 15 marks. And another question you have already solved for the recent examination, that is full consolidation question. So beta, this is our syllabus. I hope I could serve you properly within the limited time. But I will be uploading such PDF, such all the last 3 lectures and up to this lecture PDF on the downloading section. So you will be able to find out there. So I am now closing the today's session also, as today our sessions are being closed, and I will be again requesting kindly give whatever the feedback you are having to ICI, and also if possible then please give your Google review. Beta, if you will be having any doubt, then you can please post your doubt to the doubt asking section in the ICI. I will always answer your doubt, but at least I must be aware of your doubt so that you may be getting the proper communication with the solution. Only one thing is there, I want to communicate with you, beta. In the last examination, one of the student was asking the doubt that I couldn't get, I could get through Board of Studies now. That he was asking in the in the in the post acquisition, why sir is solving the question with the additional depreciation on revalued part. Beta, that's another thing, that same type of question is also there with the solution, but the student could not get notice that. Beta, please see the adjustment there carefully. If we are having the upward revaluation, then we must be having the depreciation also for the post acquisition, and if we are having the loss on revaluation, then we must be having the saving of depreciation also. So that was the doubt only which I could get before the exam. If anything else you will be asking, then definitely I will be answering to all of you. So I think it's the time to over. Okay, best of luck. We shall be meeting in the next revision session if ICI will allow. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye, Harshit, Manisha, Sunil, Ramanenji, Sahu, Diksha, Manisha, Komal, and Ajay, Prithvi, and Diksha, and Sahu, Harshit. Okay, beta Rajiv. It was a nice journey with all of you. Okay, beta. And any more person is also there? Sunil, Darshan, Kavita, Brinda. I hope I could answer you. Hello, Himanshu, beta. Okay. Okay, everyone. And is there any more person? No. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. All the very best. Bye, sir. Okay. ठीक है सर, आप सेशन ओवर कर दीजिए.